The bearings have been driven 10,000 kilometers, so it takes time to change them up. The belt also, original. It's not 10,000 because I had another belt in, but that one exploded. So we're gonna change that one, put a new one, original belt in it. And what more? Change the oil, look it over, make everything tip top, like we say here in Finland. And let's see what I find. Now we have it lifted, so we're gonna pull the tires off it. Okay, let's take off this cover and see how the belt's doing. It might look a little bit messy because I glued my cover, because I had problems with water getting in, but after I put some glue, it's been working fine. Okay. Well, it looks okay. Looks fine to me. But we will change it out because I ordered a new one. Now we're gonna remove this cover here. This is a clamp just here. Okay, and then we will remove the spring bolt. Now I'm going to remove this. Or should Okay, that went off. Easier. Now what? So but this nut is a special one. You have to have the Can-Am or some other place you can order it, but this is my friend, I borrowed. Now I just remembered, last time I had this apart, I put glue on this. That's why it's giving me a hard time to. We're gonna give it a little bit heat. Let's try. speed one. Okay, now let's remove it. And there we have it, boys and girls. Let's throw it on the table and take a look. Okay, now we have it taped up. We're gonna clean it at my workplace in the big washer. Then we're gonna push out this bearing and the press and press in the new bearings. And then we'll put it back together. Maybe paint it, make it pretty. I don't know. It's been started to rust a little bit, so we make it pretty. I just pulled this apart, and to my surprise, it looked good. No rust whatsoever. It was grease in here, so that surprised me. But I have ordered new ones, and they should come tomorrow in, so we're gonna change them because they have 10,000 kilometers on them, so we're gonna change them and put it back together and make a test hit again. So we'll wait for tomorrow for some parts and see what happens. Subscribe and like.